friends, and welcome back. Today I want to share with you this super simple fall pumpkin needle felted hoop. So I love the idea of being able to use an embroidery hoop for something besides hand embroidery, and I had this needle felt stash just kind of in the way and laying around in the room, so I decided to get creative with it and try to make something super simple and super quick. This took me about 20 minutes in total and is very easy to create. So let's go ahead and make a cute little pumpkin. I can't say that I know a lot about needle felting. Needle felting was simply one of those hobbies I picked up as a kid for fun and made some homemade gifts, and these supplies are just kind of the remains of that abandoned hobby, but it's been fun to bring it out and recreate with it again. All I know really is you take the felt and poke it with this specific needle and you're able to turn it into some really cool pieces of art. To create more definition of and shape of the grooves on the pumpkin, I did focus the pokes of my needle going through on those lines that I had drawn. Though I can't see them, I'm just kind of imagining them to help better define them. Now, after I finished filling in my pumpkin, I did feel like I wanted a bit more of a 3D effect on it, and to do that I simply just grabbed some more felt and began to stab away at the top there to create more shape, and then again just coming back to outline those grooves to give them the definition that they need. To wrap this project up, I'm simply just adding on a brown stem here, and then my pumpkin is pretty much done. I mean, the only thing left to do is add the running stitch around to complete the hoop and make the fabric not stick out on the ends. But if you're not familiar how to do that, I'll link a video above for you. I hope you so enjoyed this project. It really is super beginner friendly. I mean, I haven't needle felted in probably 10 years, and I did it just fine. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you're looking for another beginner friendly fall DIY decor type project, feel free to check out this mushroom garland tutorial I created. It's also super simple and it looks really cute. Perfect for fall decoration, perfect for a baby shower or birthday party, or you could even turn them into Christmas ornaments if you wanted. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one.